Now, picture this: World War II is in full swing, and amidst the chaos of dogfights and aerial maneuvers, there's a legend soaring above the battlefield, the Fw-190 fighter plane. It had a reputation that sent shivers down the spines of Allied pilots faster than a barrel roll. With its sleek design, lightning-fast speed, and firepower it packed a punch, the Fw-190 was a force to be reckoned with in the skies. In the tumultuous era of World War II, Germany found itself in dire need of a cutting-edge fighter plane. Thus, the Fw-190 was born, boasting a robust engine that roared louder than a lion, speed that could outpace a speeding bullet, and maneuverability so nimble it could outdance a ballerina. But, as with any ambitious project, the Fw-190 encountered its fair share of obstacles during its journey from concept to combat. Imagine engineers scratching their heads, pondering over how to make this metal bird take flight. Pilots, too, had their doubts, wondering if they were about to fly a state-of-the-art machine or a glorified kite. Despite the initial setbacks, the Fw-190 persevered, rising above the challenges and emerging as a formidable force in the skies. It quickly became the darling of the Luftwaffe, striking fear into the hearts of Allied pilots and earning a reputation as one of the finest fighters of its time. Let's dive straight into the nitty-gritty of the Fw-190's design. First up, let's talk armor protection and airframe design. The Fw-190 boasted robust armor plating around critical areas, ensuring its pilots had the best chance of survival amidst the chaos of aerial combat. Its sleek airframe design reduced drag and enhanced maneuverability, allowing for swift and precise aerial maneuvers. Now, let's talk firepower. The Fw-190 was armed to the teeth with two 13mm 131 machine guns mounted in the engine cowling, providing a steady stream of firepower. But wait, there's more. It also featured for 20mm 151 20 cannons, giving it a formidable punch against enemy aircraft and ground targets alike. But here's where it gets interesting. Despite its impressive firepower and armor, the Fw-190 was surprisingly easy to maintain. Its design prioritized accessibility to key components, making maintenance and repairs a breeze for ground crews. This not only ensured quick turnaround times between sorties but also contributed to lower maintenance costs compared to its counterparts. The Fw-190's combat prowess was second to none, earning it a fearsome reputation on the battlefield. In countless skirmishes and dogfights across the European theater of World War II, the Fw-190 proved its mettle time and again. But what truly set the Fw-190 apart was its versatility. While it excelled as an air superiority fighter, certain variants were also equipped with ground attack capabilities, allowing them to wreak havoc on enemy ground forces with devastating strafing runs and precision bombing. In engagements like the Battle of Normandy and the Eastern Front, Fw-190 ground attack variants played a pivotal role in disrupting enemy supply lines, destroying armored columns, and providing close air support to friendly ground troops. However, even the mighty Fw-190 had its limitations. Its short range often required frequent refueling and limited its operational radius. Additionally, its relatively cramped cockpit and poor rearward visibility made it vulnerable to attacks from enemy aircraft. Yet, despite these drawbacks, the Fw-190 remained a formidable adversary until the end of the war, earning the respect of both friend and foe alike. The Fw-190 family tree boasts an impressive array of variants, each tailored for specific roles on the battlefield. Let's start with the Fw-190A series, the backbone of the Luftwaffe's fighter force. Equipped with powerful engines and formidable armament, the Fw-190A excelled as an air superiority fighter, dominating the skies over Europe. As the war progressed, engineers sought to enhance the Fw-190's performance even further. Enter the Fw-190D series, featuring upgraded engines and aerodynamic refinements. This variant was specifically designed to counter high-altitude Allied bombers, boasting improved speed and altitude performance. But the innovations didn't stop there. The Fw-190 also saw variants tailored for ground attack missions, such as the Fw-190F series. Armed with bombs and rockets, these aircraft wreaked havoc on enemy armor, artillery, and infantry. providing vital support to ground forces. Each Fw-190 variant played a crucial role on the battlefield, shaping the course of World War II. The Fw-190's impact on aircraft design and military strategy was nothing short of revolutionary. With its powerful engine, agile maneuverability, and formidable firepower, the Fw-190 set new standards for fighter aircraft performance during the war. But the Fw-190's influence didn't end with World War II. Its design principles and technological innovations paved the way for future generations of fighter aircraft. Many of the lessons learned from the Fw-190 were incorporated into post-war jet fighters, shaping the evolution of aerial combat. Beyond its technical contributions, the Fw-190 left an indelible mark on military strategy. Its versatility in various roles, from air superiority to ground attack, demonstrated the importance of multi-role aircraft in modern warfare, a concept that continues to resonate in military planning to this day. While most Fw-190s met their fate in the crucible of war, a few fortunate examples have been preserved in museums around the world. These rare artifacts serve as tangible reminders of the Fw-190's legacy, allowing future generations to marvel at the engineering prowess of this legendary aircraft. Comment below of what thing I should talk about next and subscribe for more.